Melanie Cameron here with the Cameron team at Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage. Today I'm with Mark Vernon. He's with Chris Hutchins' team at Guaranteed Rate and just did a fabulous presentation about renovation loans. And I wanted him to share with our clients and viewers some of the highlights of this program. Mark?
Thank you, Melanie. Yes, renovation loans are really the sleeper in the finance industry. They allow people to be able to buy a house or refinance it as is, and then have funds set aside in a separate escrow account, which is part of the loan, to be able to pay for either required or desired renovations to a property after they close on the transaction. We use the future value of the property when we're setting up the loan, which gives an extra kick on what the maximum loan amount can be. So a very powerful loan.
It's a great program. Some of the takeaways that I took is you can use this loan for a primary residence, you can use it for a second home, or you can use it for an investment property. The interest rates are very competitive, and you can get with a down payment as low as 3.5%. And these aren't just for like homes that need major renovations. You can do it if you need a new roof and a new AC, and you couldn't negotiate that in with the contract when you bought the house. So it can be from minor stuff to major overhauls with kitchens and bathrooms if you want. So the spectrum is pretty large there, and I really encourage you, if this is something that you're thinking about, reach out to Mark, reach out to me. I'm happy to connect you with them and help you out and just explore what your options are.
Fantastic. Thank you,
Melanie.
All right.
Thanks for having us. We really enjoyed lunch, enjoyed the presentation. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us. Call me anytime at 910-202-2546 or check us out at thecameronteam.net. Have a great day.